thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we are opening up my May Ipsy Plus. If you are new here, hi, my name is Kitty. I put a video out every single day about subscription boxes and beauty. If you're new, I would love if you consider joining before you go. So in today's video, we're going to do an unboxing, and then I tried on some of the items, so I'll incorporate those clips throughout the video. And then at the end of the unboxing, I will review last month's products. So yeah, if you guys are interested in subscribing to Ipsy, I will leave my referral link down below. The box we're opening today is Ipsy Plus, so it is $25 a month and you get 5 full-size items. We got our pink box here. Yeah, let's get it open. So, as usual, looks like this. We got our foam. How about we start with the bag this month? I think it's super cute. Yesterday I opened my Ipsy Ultimate and I love that bag. So that Ipsy Ultimate's the $50 bag, so the bag was a little bit bigger. But I love like the ombre sunset kind of look they've got going on this month. So cute. And look at the inside. That's how the Ipsy Ultimate bag was too. If you guys missed that video and are interested, I'll link the Ipsy Ultimate unboxing and try on below. Oh, and it's got a little tassel too. So there is a card inside, but it doesn't actually list the items. That seems to happen a lot. So the theme for all of the Ipsy bags this month is Get That Glow. And it says the new season is finally on the horizon. Let the excitement in the air spark new ideas like sunset lids or megawatt highlighter, and bask in every light you find, ready to get glowing. And then on the inside they give you some tips on like how to use highlighter. So I pulled up the Ipsy website on my computer so I can reference like the pricing and stuff. Oh, my table's messy. I've got like coffee, coffee break. So in all of the Ipsy subscriptions, if you're subscribed, you get to customize one item, and I'm so excited about what I picked. So I kind of gave it away in yesterday's video and I said it was another Sunday Riley product, but yay, it's Sunday Riley Good Jeans. So the Sunday Riley Good Jeans now comes in 2 different formulations. This is the original, or like the first one they came out with. It's the lactic acid treatment. So this contains 5% lactic acid and it is $85. It used to be like $105, but they lowered it a little bit, which is great. There is a bigger option than this, like, but this is 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounce. So it's a standard size for like a treatment or serum. So lactic acid is a little bit more gentle than glycolic acid, so I think this is great for people to get if they are new with chemical exfoliators. So lactic acid is a gentle AHA, so alpha hydroxy acid, and it'll help exfoliate your skin. It can help with fine lines, hyperpigmentation, even acne. I had this a while ago and I haven't had it, and I can't wait to start using it again. Oh, it's so good. So it deeply exfoliates the dull surface of the skin for clarity, radiance, and younger looking skin. Visibly brightens the appearance of dark spots and discoloration. Instantly plumps the look of fine lines and wrinkles in 3 minutes. I'm not sure all the date on that, but I can tell you I love this stuff and I'm so excited to have it again. I feel like I knew everything about it without even reading a label. So I love the packaging. It's got a pump. Some people say they don't like the fragrance of this, so there is a little bit of lemongrass oil, so that is an essential oil, but it does have some like skincare properties. I believe it helps with hyperpigmentation. Actually, okay, so it says lemongrass oil and prickly pear extract balance the heavy hitting exfoliators by helping to soothe and refresh the skin. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. I've got swatches on, you'll see later. Oh, like, I don't remember the fragrance at all, but I'm not one of those people that's super sensitive. Oh my god, I just put a lot on my hand. Oh yeah, it smells like lemongrass. I actually like that fragrance. So I'm not gonna waste this. I'm gonna like spread this on my chest because I like to treat my skin from head to like boob area. So I've got makeup on my face. No skincare goes to waste here. So yeah, I'm super excited to get this and start incorporating this into my skincare routine. An $85 product too, so excited to get in this box. Next up we got some brushes from Sugar Rush, which is the sister brand to Tarte. So you'll see me using these when I talk about the next product, which is an eyeshadow palette. But these brushes are so cute. So they came wrapped up in some cute tissue paper, but this is their A+ brush set, so they kind of look like pencils. And these 3 brushes were great. I was able to create a look with just these. So it comes with the Goal Getter, which is a tapered blending brush. So I use this in my crease, which you'll see, like I said already. And then this one, this is just to pack on shadows. This is Write Your Story. And they call this the round blending brush. And then we have a little pencil brush here, shaped like a pencil, that is called Stay Sharp. And they call this their pencil crease brush. So I love these brushes. I thought they worked well, and I love the colors. I think they're cute. I believe Tarte's Sugar Rush brand is more targeted towards a younger audience, but obviously we can all use this. So I think like the theme, like the A+ brush set is super cute. And this set of 3 brushes, they're 100% vegan and cruelty free, and they have a retail value of $19. I will definitely keep using these. Even if they're like, you know, not just for the cute factor, but also because they worked really well too. So since I already mentioned it, let's talk about the shadow. So it's a little palette here, and it's by Colored Raine. Until today, I've never tried this brand, but I've heard about it. I'm pretty sure like Kat from Beauty News really likes Colored Raine. Maybe I'm thinking of someone else, but I think it might be her. But anyways, this is their Vineyard Soiree eyeshadow palette. And this brand is cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free. Did I say gluten-free already? So here is the outside. And there are 6 shadows in here. There are 4 shimmer and 2 mattes, and there is a mirror. And I love this palette. So I took a clip already of some swatches, but I still have them on my hand. I just used 3 of the shades, but this is like the perfect size palette. You can travel with it or do it like, you know, if you do your makeup on the go, it's perfect, it's small, and you can actually make different looks with these because I feel like all the colors in here like coordinate well together. So I only use 3 shadows today. I use this matte with the Goal Getter tapered blending brush from Tarte and put that all throughout my crease and transition area, and it blended out really well, a beautiful color. And then my favorite was this beautiful pink shimmer that I packed on almost my entire lid. I love it so much, and it's still looking really good. So I started to use the Write Your Story round blending brush, but I think these shimmers work best with your finger. So with my finger, I didn't get any fallout. I think I got like just a little piece of fallout when I tried to use it with a brush, but there's way more color payoff when you use your finger. So I just picked it on probably like you know, 3/4 of my lid, or the outer 2/3, whatever. I don't know why I'm throwing out the fractions, but the majority of my lid. And then I went in with the lighter pink shimmer shade, and I used the pencil crease brush, and I just put that on the inner portion of my eye, and I kind of blended it up a little bit, and I think this is so cute. I was gonna use more shades, but I'm like, I just really like this look. It was super—
I'm having trouble hearing you.
Sorry, my watch just started talking to me. I accidentally hit it. So I thought this was a super simple, fast look to do, and so cute. I can't wait to use this palette some more. And yeah, I think the formula is great. So if you guys receive this, you should definitely try it out. I think some people are saying it's not their color scheme, but I think it just works so well. And there are some shades in here that you can make a more natural look. Like there's this like champagne shimmer shade you can just put all over your lid like I did with that pink shade, if you're looking for something like more neutral. So this palette is actually an Ipsy exclusive. So they said, we're living for this limited edition and Ipsy exclusive palette with a collection of beautiful gray and berry shadows. The 4 matte and 2 shimmer shades. They said that wrong. It's definitely 4 shimmers and 2 mattes, but it says it can be used to create an endless array of looks, which I agree. So the retail value of this is $22. Yeah, I am very happy with it, and I can't wait to play with it some more. We have 2 items left. The next item I used today as well, and to be honest, at first I was not thrilled when I saw I was getting this. This is by Wander Beauty, which is a brand I love, but this is their clear brow gel, and I have other clear brow gels, and they're like fine. But then I used this today, and I really like this. I think it's the brush. It doesn't pick up too much product, and I feel like the size of it, or how it's made, it's able to like pick up all my brow hairs, and it just kind of like lifted them and gave a more like feathered look and held them in place. I have pretty sparse brows, so usually, you know, there's not much to pick up, but it did it, and love it. I'm so happy I tried it. At first I was like, should I give this away because I have other clear brow gels? But this is far superior to the other ones I have. The one I've been using is like by Billion Dollar Brows, and I feel like it just has too much product, and the wand on that seems a lot bigger, so I feel like it doesn't do that same effect with like feathering out my brows, my very sparse brows, like this Wander Beauty one does. So yeah, I love this. I'm like so happy with everything in this box so far. So the exact name for this product is Frame Your Face Precise Brow Gel in Clear. Oh wow, yeah, they even mentioned it here. They said the cone-like brush has a tapered tip that's perfectly sized to comb through teeny brow hairs without making a mess. That is so true. I didn't even read that yet. Yeah, I love it. Oh, and it's infused with Hinoki essential oils. Not positive what that means, but they moisturize and nourish your brow hair so they can grow thicker and stronger with continued use. Awesome, I need that. I've been using an eyelash serum, like growth serum on my eyebrows at night, so I'm just hoping that works. But now if I can do both, like, yeah. This has a retail value of $22. So the last item in the box I was going to use today, but I stopped myself. I'm trying to be less wasteful, and in yesterday's BoxyCharm Premium that I filmed, I opened up a new mascara, and we got a mascara right here. This is by Beauty For Real. It's their High Def Defining Volume Mascara. So I thought this looked like it would be great. I'll put an image on the screen of what the brush looks like. So I was talking about how I have like real sparse eyebrows. I also have really short sparse eyelashes, and this brush looks like it's a little bit smaller and maybe can like get into my eyelashes and lengthen them a little bit more. I guess we'll see, but yeah, like I was saying, I don't want to open this yet and be wasteful because I already have multiple open mascaras, so I want to at least use one of them up because mascara has a short lifespan, and yeah, I want to be able to enjoy all my mascaras. So this is what it looks like. And if any of you guys have tried this, I would love to hear your experience. So this High Def Mascara in Just Black is $19, and it says it comes with a targeted micro brush applicator that's designed to make it easy to apply product to even the tiniest lashes. It's exactly what I need. And the reviews come in at 4 out of 10 with almost 3,000 reviews. Someone says the brush is so tiny and odd, this mascara smears everywhere. And then someone else says it's very mediocre. Another person says, love the wand size, it does clump a little. Try with a primer to see if that helps. So yeah, reading the reviews is really helpful. Some people are giving tips and stuff like that. So yeah, again, let me know what you guys think if you use this or any of these products. I'd love to hear your experience with them. But eventually I will get to this. So that was everything for today's video. I'm honestly really happy with this. When I first looked at it, I was like, oh, you know, like I know at least I'll like the Sunday Riley product, and that has a lot of value, but I like everything. I mean, I haven't tried the mascara, but like I'm even wowed by the clear brow gel. Like, I feel like this has been a great month for Ipsy so far. I mentioned earlier I opened my Ipsy Ultimate, and I did like a lot of stuff in there as well, but I think I like this Ipsy Plus even better because I really will use all this, and I'm so excited. And of course we got a cute bag. So yeah, that is everything. Let me know what you guys got in your Ipsy Plus if you get it, and if you don't, what you think is the best product in my box. I seriously love like everything. So yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts, and if you didn't get the same items as I did, I'd love to hear what you got. But now let's transition into the review of April's products. So I don't have it here, but when I was preparing for this video, I just like wrote a little stuff down so I'd remember what came in the box, and then I found the handout. So we actually got a little card with the product information last month, unlike this month. But yeah, the bag was cute last month. The other thing we got was a Sunday Riley toner. It was a smaller size than this. Since I already had the full size, they gave us a smaller size, like half of this. I passed it along because I didn't need more than one. And I said in my previous video that I don't use this too much, so one of the top ingredients for this product is denatured alcohol, and I think that is used, from my understanding, it helps the other products in this penetrate into your skin better, so you get better like instant results, but in the long run, denatured alcohol can be pretty bad for your skin, so I like to use this like around acne prone times of the month, like my period, which is coming any day now. So I used this last night, but one thing I noticed, see how it's like gold around here? That gold like has particles that come off, and it got in my skin. I had like glitter face, but I mean I was going to bed, but still I don't like that. Maybe you can see, yeah, look at that. Oh, Did I even tell you guys what the name of this is? I said Sunday Riley, but this is their Martian Mattifying Melting Water Gel Toner. So yeah, I love Sunday Riley products, clearly, and I'm loving that Ipsy keeps offering them, but this isn't my favorite item by them. So they say this is supposed to be a cooling gel to water toner. It clarifies, removes oil, and visibly tightens pores for clear and matte skin. And I do think it does that, but yeah, I'm just not a huge fan of the ingredient list. It has bentonite, marshmallow, and manuka, and they say this is best for oily to acne-prone skin. So yeah, I will just use this. Like I said, this will last forever since I have this huge size. But yeah. That's all I really gotta say. I've only used it once, but I'll probably use it tonight too. There were some items that I do not have, or maybe it's just, yeah, 2 items. So I have so many face masks. I received a Bloom Effects Dutch Dirt Mask, so I passed that on, and also I received a Tarte's Double Take Eyeliner in black. I don't really use eyeliners much, and plus I already have so many, so I passed that along as well. So I only kept 3 out of 5 items. One of the other items that I received is one of my favorites. It's a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in Campfire. I love this lipstick so much. I've worn it in a few videos. You can actually see some products gone. Most of my liquid lipsticks look like they've never been used because I just have so many. But I love this shade. Here, I'll swatch a little. I wore it, gosh, I wish I could remember what video, but I wore it in a recent video and I just love the shade. I find that Dose of Colors lipsticks, they dry down, but they're not uncomfortable and they last all day, even when you're like drinking and eating. Maybe not if you're eating something super oily, but still, I feel like it wears really well. And this is $18, and yeah, definitely my favorite item from last month and my most used. I also like this palette we received, the last item by Shanna B. Miami. This is the Miami eyeshadow palette. I honestly have only used it a couple times, but it's very neutral. I really like just using like one of these shades, like light brown shade in the crease area, and then using like a shimmer shade all over the lid, and then having a more bold lip like this Campfire. I feel like I have used these together in the recent video I was talking about. So yeah, it's not the most exciting palette in the world, but it works well. It gets simple looks. I definitely like the palette from today's video, the Color Raine palette, much better. I'm thrilled to use that. That one's good for every day and stuff, but I feel like I'll be reaching for the Color Raine one much more, but I'll have to let you guys know about that next month. So that is everything for today's video. Thank you guys so much for being here. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.